This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the site Improvedbrowser.online. Improvedbrowser.online is a malicious site that may unexpectedly attack Google Chrome and other browsers. The purpose of this pop-up is to trick users into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. This could be some fake browser that may operate as adware or a browser hijacker. So definitely, if you see these pop-ups by Improvedbrowser.online, there is nothing improving for your computer. Instead, such pop-ups are dangerous since they promote certain potentially unwanted software. So if anything suspicious was mistakenly installed into your computer, check your available programs through the control panel and remove any items that could be suspicious. Get rid of them. We also recommend you to research your system with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.